Okay, if you are anything like me, you love sending GIFs or GIFs, depending on how you say it. I love sending GIFs in my emails, especially ones that are sent to clients after they have booked and are officially a client. So I'm going to show you how to add GIFs to your Dubsado canned emails. So first of all, you're going to want to pull up your email that you want to add the GIF. This one is a welcome onboarding email, so it's official, we're working together. So I want to add a GIF right here that's showing some sort of excitement. So I'm going to go over to giphy.com and I found the one that I wanted. So this is Rachel from Friends. Hello, I love Friends. So what you're going to do is go over to media and you're going to get the source code. So you're going to copy that, go back over to your email, and you're going to go over here to formatting options, image, and you're going to make sure it's by URL, not by upload image or browse. You're going to do by URL. All you're going to do is paste it in there, hit insert, and voila. Now it's uploading. And there it is, guys. So exciting. And then just save and close it.